Hey you guys, back again with another video. Today I'm making jalapeno poppers, and I already started it, so I'm just gonna continue on. I was like, you know what, I should record this. Alright y'all, so what I did was cut the jalapenos in half, and I'm cutting out the middle part. I don't remember how, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jalapenos left. I have 6 jalapenos left because I canned the rest, y'all. I made the same way I made the jalapenos, not the jalapenos. The same way I made the okra, I made it that same way. The only difference is that I didn't add okra, I add jalapenos. But y'all see me make the okra, what I did was canned, pickled, garlicky okra. So now it's going to be canned, pickled, garlicky jalapenos. So yes, it's in there right now going. So it's the same way I made it. How I made the okra is the same way I did the jalapenos. The only difference was the jalapenos. It wasn't okra. So after I made the pickled jalapenos, I was left with 6. So I'm going to do, I decided to use the rest of the jalapenos to make jalapeno poppers. So I'll be back to do the filling. So since I'm not using 12 jalapenos, I'm only using 6. So that means I'm going to half the recipe. So for 6, I'm going to put, instead of 8 ounces, I'm going to use 4 ounces. Okay. I don't have scallions, so I'm going to use onions. And I'm going to, yeah, you know, make a little spin for myself. So I'm using a little bowl, and I'm going to use 1/4 of cream cheese. 1/4 is equivalent to 4 tablespoons. Yes. 4. Not this tablespoon. Not this tablespoon. This tablespoon. Measuring spoon. But if you don't have 1/4, if you don't have this, you can use a regular measuring tablespoons. But yeah. So, and like I said, I And y'all, this was starting to change colors. The jalapenos was turning orange. So, like I said, I got the jalapenos over here. I got two 32-ounce jars in there. So, I'm using what I have. So, we're going to do this 1/4, not 8 ounces. We're going to use 1/4. Well, technically, my bad. It says 8 ounces, not a half a cup. My bad. So, I'm technically supposed to use half of this. But I'm going to just use this a little bit, okay? Because I don't really eat cream cheese like that. Uh-oh. Okay, I just realized it's not 1/4 cup. It's, but wait a minute. Isn't, Alexa, how many ounces is 4 ounces?
4 ounces is about 3.6 troy ounces.
I think I said that wrong. I did. Hold on, y'all be back. I am silly. 4 ounces is a half a cup. I just noticed that. This is 2 ounces. No, 1 ounce, I guess. You know what? So 4 ounces is a half a cup. I could have used that half a measuring cup. So I forgot. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm going to use onions, and I'm making it my way right now. I started following a recipe, but I'm going to make it my way. We're going to do it Ramona's way. And I happen to have cilantro. If I didn't have cilantro, then I would use parsley. And I love onions anyway. So I guess scallions, you can substitute it for green onions, and you can also substitute that for regular white onions. So yeah, I know this would have been a good thing for me to have my. So right now I'm gonna mix the cream cheese, um, cilantro, onions, garlic, sprinkle some lime in here, some salt and pepper, and I'm gonna throw some parsley in here. And I'll be back when it's done, because you know I'm short on time here. So I just use a slice of half of a slice of onion in there, and I diced it up, and I use a tablespoon or two of the half, I don't know, of garlic, which is equivalent to a tablespoon. And I'm going to put some lime juice in here right now. Lime juice. And I put maybe, I don't know. I took out a bunch of cilantro. I put a bunch in and I broke it up and I just put it in here. So I'm put a little salt and pepper in here and mix it up. And I put some parsley in here, a few shakes. So I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm going to add, oh, I hate when this happens. Look at this. I hate when this happens. Get me a fork. Where did that fork go? Okay. Put some salt and pepper in here. Don't get happy with the salt because you're going to add bacon to it. Oh, I think I got happy with the salt. I love pepper. Black pepper, you know. Mix it all about and do the whole. Oh, I needed that spoon. Great. And then make sure your cream cheese is room temperature. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'll be back. If it sounds like I'm rushing, I do apologize. I hope I have enough. Y'all know what? I had to use 8 ounces because I counted the jalapenos and it came up to what, 12, and that's what the recipe said, 12. So I had to use the rest of the cream cheese. So yeah, y'all, I'm using the bacon, and so far I done used 11 bacon strips. Wow, I didn't realize how much bacon I needed. But anywho, y'all, I'm gonna come back with a part 2 because I got the oven preheating on 400, and I'm gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes, and then in the next part I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all how they look while they done. So anywho, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you care. Hit that notification bell to be notified. And I will see you guys in the next video. So this is 6 on this one right here. And this 6 over here. Now I don't have one of those wire racks, which I know I should, and I ran out of foil, so I have one of these silicone things on the bottom. So yeah, I need to get me one long rack and put everything on one, but I don't have that. So I'm using what I have, and we're going to put this in the oven. So y'all, the way I made that recipe, it was supposed to be 8 ounces, but of course I tweaked it to my way.